Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck, and today we're making a mistake. That's right, I accidentally made a mistake, and I was going to make one thing, and it turned out being something completely different, but it was amazing, and I couldn't believe it, so I had to keep it, and this is it, fat-free potato sticks. I was going to make hash browns, and I used the wrong blade on my new chopper. So here's my chopper, and I did a complete review on this chopper just a couple days ago on my YouTube channel. I'll put a link up above, you can check that out. But I was going to make hash browns, and instead of the grating blade, I used the julienne blade. And yeah, my mistake. But I got these perfectly formed little potato sticks instead. And I thought, I wonder if I can still use these. So I put them in the air fryer. Oh my gosh, they're so good. So this is me grating my potatoes. I think I used about 3 russets. And 3 russets is about 2 servings worth, me and my wife. So the trick is though, whatever you use to grate your potatoes, or julienne your potatoes, make sure you keep them in cold water while you're doing it. That's going to get rid of all of that starch, and that's what's going to make them really super crispy. So you rinse them, you drain them, you rinse them again, and you'll see the water. It'll be like milky with all that starch that's in the potatoes. And I don't know if you can see it there or not. After I get through adding my water, you kind of swish it around. Anyway, yeah, you want to rinse them really good, drain them really good, and then finally we're going to dump them out on a clean kitchen towel. So the next step, besides the rinse and repeat, is we're going to dry them really, really well. So I use this kitchen towel, kind of rolled them up, and then squeeze as much as that moisture, as much as that water. You can see there's quite a bit. Squeeze as much of that out as you can. That's the whole secret. Once we do that, I put them on my tray from my air fryer, and you can season these up however you like. A little salt, a little pepper. I think I had a little onion powder, a little garlic powder. So you see there's a little bowl. Those are the ones I tried before, and they were great. I did not season those before. I seasoned those after. The batch I'm making right now, I'm seasoning them before I put them in the air fryer. And I think it makes a difference. I think you want to season them after. Because these right here, when they came out, some of that seasoning got a little burnt. So if it was me, I would add the seasoning after they're cooked. Throw them in the air fryer, 400 degrees, about 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, pull them out, give them a little shake, and and this is what they come out like. They're perfectly separated. They're not in a big globby mess like we've seen hash browns do before. They're crispy, they're crunchy. Whoop, get those out of there. Gotta take care of those. Anyway, they are so good. I hope you like it. It's a simple recipe, but they're so addicting. There's no fat, there's no oil. You can adjust the salt however much you like. Perfect guilt-free snack. Anyway, that's the recipe for the week. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, be sure and give me a thumbs up. Hit that bell and subscribe to my channel. And come back next week. I do a video every single week showing you how simple it is and how healthy it is to eat plant-based. Complete recipe will be in the box below. See you next week. This is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.